reason that led us to green build this house is the opposite question. I don't quite understand how it comes to the mind of some people, actually a lot of people, to build in materials that are not biodegradable, to build things that will stay there and that are ugly to see, that are unhealthy for them as human beings, as unhealthy to animals around them, the environment, the plant world. It's quite simple, really. There's no reason not to go for eco-building. In my mind's eye, I designed so many houses, all with widely different shapes and materials. There was one in particular that was based on the golden ratio in the shape of kind of a seashell spiral. We didn't get the agreement of the urban planning authorities simply because of the personal taste of one civil servant, although we'd chosen this plot of land because there's no harmony of shapes in this neighborhood and the place is not visible from the street. This man abused his position of power, saying he didn't like rounded shapes. So, as a plan B, we decided to go for a rectangle frame and to create the rounded organic shapes inside instead. Some people say it's more expensive to build in natural materials. That's complete nonsense. It's it's rubbish, it's a lie. You can take some earth, mix it with something and build bricks. Take Asia. Bamboo grows like crazy, it's all over the place. You cut it down and build the most amazing structures with it. Costs next to nothing. Here in Germany, Europe, dig some clay from the ground and build away. There are so many solutions that are certainly not more costly than concrete. The good thing nowadays is that you can use traditional methods and state-of-the-art methods in synergy for the same project. Being self-sufficient is something I don't even think of mentioning, as it goes without saying. It's just indispensable. What do we possess that is more important apart from our own body? Take water, for example. You can take the one that falls from the sky or from a little stream that passes through your land and purify it to be as autonomous as possible. The same goes for heating, electricity, food. We wanted a place to grow fruit and veg, and if you're not vegan, it's good to have hens for eggs.
La question donc de qu'est-ce que je ferais différemment aujourd'hui a une réponse très simple. Rien du tout.
Do you also want to find the shapes, colors and materials that will support your well-being? Or would you like to ask your questions and discuss your home design dreams? You can ask for an appointment for an online session of well-being through housing. Contact us on transstandance@gmail.com.